let's start here in the overhand butterfly. And let's do the right out and in at the chest and the left out and in at the chest. We'll just alternate right and left. And you could do this turn and tap if you want to. And then let's bring it up over the head. So the right up, and then the left up, and the right up, and the left up, and the right up, and the left up. Now we'll alternate. We'll go to the side, to the other side, and now go up, and go up. And we'll repeat that. Side, to the other side, go up, side, to the other side, go up, side, other side, go up. Now we're going to move on. So from your butterfly, I want you to do a butterfly turnaround. We're going to take the left one out, turn 180 degrees. So you're turning away from me. We'll try that again. From the butterfly, we're going to do the left out, turn 180 degrees away from me, so you can't see me anymore, into underhand butterfly on the back wall. And then you're going to take your left hand out again, and you're going to do a figure 8 with it, and then turn 180 degrees back toward me into overhand butterfly. So we'll do that again. That was the left turn. We'll do a left takeout, turn left 180 degrees away from me, go into underhand butterfly. Then we'll do left takeout, turn 180 degrees toward me into overhand butterfly. Now we'll do the right turn. Right takeout, turn away from me 180 degrees, come into underhand butterfly on the back wall. And then you're going to take the right poi, bring it out again, turn your body 180 degrees, and then bring the left one into overhand butterfly. Let's do a right turn again. Right takeout, turn, come into underhand butterfly on the back wall. And then we'll do a right takeout, turn again into overhand butterfly on the front. Now, move your body to the right. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a left takeout, and then step right, turn left into underhand butterfly on the back wall. Take your left one out, turn left 90 degrees, step your left foot back, and flip your right point into overhand butterfly on the front. So now we've moved 2 steps to the left. Now we're going to do the right turn and move to the right. Take your right point out, step your left foot forward, flip your left point into underhand butterfly on the back wall. So if we just did that part again, you're in overhand butterfly here, flip the right one out, turn 90 degrees, step your left foot forward, flip to underhand butterfly. Now take your right one out again, and step your right foot back, and flip your left foot into overhand, and now you're back where you started. So let's go back and forth a couple times. We'll take the left one out, step the right foot forward, flip into underhand butterfly on the back wall, and then take your left point out, step your left foot back, flip your right one up and over into overhand butterfly on the front wall. Now we'll go to the right, take the right one out, turn to the right 90 degrees, step your left foot forward, flip your left point into underhand butterfly on the back wall, flip your right one out, step your right foot back, flip your left point into overhand butterfly on the front wall. Let's go back to the left again. We're going to flip the left one out, turn to the left, step the right one forward, flip the right point into underhand butterfly on the back wall. Then we're going to flip the left one out, turn 90 degrees, step the left foot back, flip the right point into overhand butterfly here. Now going to the right, flip the right one out, turn to the right, step the left one forward, flip the left point into underhand butterfly on the back wall, flip the right one out, step the right one back as you turn, flip the left one in, come into overhand butterfly. And we'll go back and forth one more time. Flip the left one out, turn left, step right, flip the right one into underhand butterfly on the back wall, flip the left one out, step the left one back, flip the right one in, overhand butterfly, and back to the right, flip the right one out, turn to the right, step left, flip the left one in, and flip the right one out, step the right foot back, flip the left one into overhand butterfly, angel, angel, angel. Now we're going to go to the left, flip the left one out, step right, flip the right one in, flip the left one out, step the left foot back, flip the right one in, and then angel, angel, angel. Now go to the right. Right one out, left foot forward, flip the left one into underhand butterfly on the back wall. Flip the right one up, flip the right one out, step the right one back, flip the left one in, and we'll do angel, 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 and then double stall out, come into the underhand opposite hip reel. You did a double stall out to the side, come into underhand butterfly, and then move back to the center of your space, and then take out right to the side, left to the side, right to the side, left to the side, right to the side, left to the side, right to the side, left to the side. Now going up with the right, and up with the left, and up with the right, up with the left, up with the right, up with the left, last one right, last one left. Now we're going to alternate. Side out right, side out left, up to the right, up to the left. Side out right, side out left, up to the right, up to the left. Side out right, side out left, up to the right, up to the left. Side out right, side out left, up to the right, up to the left. Angel, back down. Angel, back down. Angel, back down. Angel, back down. And now come up into the opposite direction, pinwheel and underhand. And then come back down into the butterfly. Now we're going to take the left point, flip it to the side, stall the right point, and now they should both be an overhand. And now stall the left point back. And stall your right point back. Stall your left point front. Stall your right point front. So they're both back in overhand now. In theory. So they're both overhand. Let's try it again. Let's do a right stall back to underhand. A left stall back to underhand. A right stall forward to overhand. A left stall forward to overhand. Now a left stall back to underhand. A right stall back to underhand. A left stall front to overhand. A right stall front to overhand. Okay, now a left stall back. Now they're in opposite direction. Your left is underhand, your right is overhand.